And we're back here at the Stock Recap Show. It is 26 September 2022, and I'm super excited to get into it today. And before we do, I do just want to say that these videos are all intended for educational purposes only, okay? Please trade at your own risk. There's no guarantee you're going to make money with this strategy or with any other strategy for that matter. And most people trying to do this lose money. So just know that going in and take it easy. And now let's get into the notable movers here. We got a high fly ball and it is out of here. And LVTX was the definition of that today. Had a huge move higher, up 97.5%. And this was up on high volume, although it looks like selling volume by the end of the day. 44 million shares traded, almost twice the shares outstanding. So yeah, we're definitely tracking this. They announced an exclusive worldwide license agreement for one of their drugs, I guess. But yeah, if you want to look into that further, you can look into that. We're just tracking the price movements and the volume, as well as the catalyst, which we have here. So that's a good sign. The next notable mover was POLA. This is not really breaking out to all-time highs here, but I do like the fact that it looks like it set a bottom here at 250 with this. Kind of looks like a hammer candle, but the body's a little wider. But yeah, nice Murubuzu candle here today. Opened at the low, closed at the high. Okay, so we like to see that, and we're tracking this for tomorrow. TCRT, this was up 24.28%, which landed it on the notable movers. RSI looks like it's coming back a little bit from being at a little bit of a low on Friday. So we're definitely tracking this one too. Doesn't have too crazy high relative volume. Okay, it was only up 24.28%. It's far off the high. It's almost 50% off the highs, the recent highs from like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So that's something to look out for too. Watch this high level 4. Now let's get into the about to breakout stocks. It could go all not quite. It is still inside the park. Okay, so PPSI, I would call this about to break out. It is trading on some higher than average volume. Okay, 2.6 million shares traded. Electrical equipments and parts have been an industry that's been heating up recently. Okay. We saw that in POLA is a notable mover. This is another electrical equipments and parts that's up big, 23% today, okay? Next is BEAT, as in heartbeat, and this has huge high relative volume, and it traded more than the shares outstanding today, so that's awesome. It's up 25% on the week, and that might not even be including today's gains, and it tapped off 3 here, and now it's back at 250. So this looks like a buy. This looks like it could double or even triple from here, and we were watching this last week too, okay? So this was on the about to breakouts last week. It was up 20%. Okay, so that's super cool to see that happen back-to-back weeks. And the last about to breakout stock is PLSE. This was the highest volume I've seen in a while for this stock, so that's cool. Let's see. There was FDA approval for sebaceous hyperplasia. Not exactly sure how to say that. I might have butchered that, but FDA approvals are always a good thing. So we're tracking this stock too. Now let's get into the scary stocks real quick, and I'm just going to go through these charts real quick. So SJ, this chart does not look good. It's breaking down. Lit M, this got crushed on after hours news of non-compliance with the audit committee review. And then CSCW, Color Star Tech, this also got killed recently, and now it's even getting slashed from there. Okay, it's down 54% on the week. And that wraps up the scary stocks. If you want to see them up here, the percentage movements down just today. It's definitely scary when stocks fall this much in just one day. And that's it for the stock recap show. And if you are interested in accelerating your trade knowledge, then we do have a new program that's launching soon, Trade Profit Accelerator, and book a call on Friday Traders if you're interested in that, or any of the functionality you see on the FinViz stuff. If you're getting on there and you want the elite version, definitely book a call and we can hook you up with that as well, okay? I will see you on Thursday. See you then.